Hyper Tough 6 amp hour battery with a 3/4 inch, and I got this. I'm going to torque it to 140. So that bad boy on. Good advice. You want to pull up. It's very easy to pull than push. Here we go. Now we're gonna test this on this, which was just torqued to 140. And let's see. There you go. Would you look at that? Drive it just a little bit, because I'm not Jiffy Lube. And well, here it is on speed 1. And let's see. No, not really. Now, speed 2. There you go. And another good advice, when you're putting it back on, and start it, and then drive it with a ratchet, or you can just finger drive it. A lot of people like to do it with the impact or something. And there you go. And well, that's it. Okay, bye.